All right, Morty. Today we're going to be assembling the Shut the Box. So what does assembling the Shut the Box look like? Well, it looks like this. Once again, I did not number my pieces. You can if you wish, but we're just going to try to get it all in here. So, uh, pretty simple. The only real direction we were given is that this little bar is 2 inches from the back piece. So let's start dropping our pieces in there. So we're going to go to File, New, and we're going to open an assembly. So here's the assembly. I'm going to place the first piece when I get in the right folder, which is the Shut the Box folder. And I'm going to start with the bottom piece. So right there, bottom piece is in. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to ground it. So the bottom piece doesn't move, everything gets attached to the bottom piece. So then I need one left piece, which I'm going to rotate, not that way. Got to flip it all the way around now. This way. Nope, nope, nope. I definitely wanted the Y. That way. So one piece here. Good. I'm going to get the right side piece. This time we know it's in the Y. Yes. Right side piece can go over here. Good. See how they line up? I'm going to get my dowel. I want one dowel. I'll rotate it in the Y. Boom. One dowel. That'll go in there too. I'm going to get one separator. It's already going the right direction. That's good. I'm going to get 2 long sides. 1, 2. Good. And I'm going to get 9 of these little pieces. So I'm going to rotate in the Y, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll get to them later. Alrighty. So it all depends how you want to go about putting this together. I'm going to start right here with the constrain tool, and I want this edge to be connected to this inside edge on the left piece. I'm going to click apply. I then want this and this to go together, and then they're stuck. I'm going to flip my object around here, and I am going to repeat process. So boom, I want to flip it to look. I want this piece in here. Yes, sir. There we go. So I got that piece in there. Apply. I want this edge and this edge to go together. Great. Okay. Now, I want this bottom edge to touch this bottom edge. And I want this outside edge to touch this outside edge. I would like to do the same on the other side, maybe a little bit of a different order. This outside edge, that outside edge. And then this bottom edge to that bottom edge. So that's my box. This separator piece is a little more difficult, challenging if you will. So the separator piece, I do the bottom to the bottom. That part's easy. And I'm going to do the side to the side. That part's easy. Now here's the tricky part. I want this face right here to touch that, but then I got to offset it 2 inches. So that means it'll be 2 inches away from there. Click apply. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to switch to insert, and I want to insert this here rod, not that way. I would like to insert this rod on the outside, and then I will flip it. If I rotate around, you will see it lines up perfectly. Alright, so the next step, I am going to insert these pieces. To do so, I'm going to click the piece. I'm going to make sure it's like this. I'm going to click on the end. And we don't have a lot of extra room in here. So I mean, it's 0.75, but we're going to start at 0.8. And we're going to check if we have any wiggle room in there. There is like the thinnest hair of wiggle room there. We're going to click OK. We're going to hit apply. And then you pretty much just add an inch every time. So this one would be 1.8. We'd hit apply, and the next one would be 2.8. And we'd hit apply. And the next one would be 3.8. And we'd hit apply. And the cycle would continue. Now, there's going to be a bigger 4.8. There's going to be a bigger gap on one side than the other. But that is okay. How do I... And let's see, is that enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so all 9 are in there. I can respectively start shutting the box if I want to. So this is up to you, totally not necessary. They check that they all work. I hope this was helpful. You see we got more gap. So we could have conceivably done a little spacing between them. You could measure how much this is with the ruler tool. But if you got this far, you're 100% totally okay and fine. You don't have to worry about that. So this is Shut the Box. I hope it was helpful, and good luck.